The complete mobile marketing solution for car dealers. So firstly, what can our product do for you? It will create a mobile optimized version of your car listings through its easy-to-use admin panel. It also generates QR codes for each vehicle to use in your marketing. So why do you need a mobile version of your website, and why use QR codes? Because the world has gone mobile, as so must your business. Let's take a look at some stats. 314.7 million phones sold in the first 3 months of 2010, of which 53.4 million were smartphones. 59 million iPhones sold to date, 1.7 million iPhone 4s sold in the first 3 days. 160,000 Android smartphones are being activated every day. And by the end of 2013, more people will access the internet from mobile phones than desktop PCs. A recent Mobio Identity Systems study reports that QR code scanning was up by 4,549% in the first quarter of 2011. So what do these statistics mean to your business? Well, they tell us that the number of your clients and potential purchasers using mobile phones to view your website and car listings is increasing day by day. Now, while the number of users accessing your website from their PC or laptop is decreasing day by day. With mobile internet browsing set to overtake PC browsing by 2013, businesses can no longer ignore this trend. It's essential you offer your clients a pleasant browsing experience via a mobile website and provide them with the information they require in a fast and user-friendly format, or you risk losing them as customers. Now, which do you think your customers would prefer to use? Mobile website versus standard website? Not only will your mobile website visitors be able to view your car listings on their phone, but with just one click or tap, they can call or email you. Are you using QR codes in your business? So what are QR codes? A QR code is a 2D barcode that can be scanned by a mobile phone. And when scanned, it can send the user to a website, send an email, send a text, call a number, or enter your contact details directly into the phone. Here are just a few examples of QR codes being used in marketing: Tesco, Ralph Lauren, Election Poster, Debenhams, Pepsi, Starbucks, and some examples of QR codes being used by car dealers. Wherever you decide to use your QR codes with our product, a quick scan from your prospective buyer's mobile, and they will see the full car details. Click the link below this video to see a demonstration. For more information, visit www.mobile2cars.com or call 347-772-1701.